Aspirin contains salicylic acid, an ingredient often found in high-quality skincare and hair products, amongst other things. And today we'll speak about 5 surprising uses of aspirin for skin and hair. 1. Treats pimples and acne. Aspirin removes dead skin cells from skin and cleanses clogged skin pores, thus reducing the probability of acne formation. To treat pimples and acne using aspirin, simply crush a handful of tablets and slowly add some water until a paste is formed. Apply to the face, keep for 20 minutes, and wash off with warm water. 2. Reduces dandruff. Most dandruff shampoos contain salicylic acid, and aspirin is a direct source of this acid, so the action is stronger and more visible. Crush 2 tablets of aspirin and add them to a cupful of shampoo. Wash your hair as normal, and you should see a dramatic improvement in the condition of your scalp. Repeat every other day for best results. 3. Cures bites and stings. Crush 2 aspirin tablets and mix with a little water to form a paste. Apply to the affected area, leave for a few minutes, and then rinse it off. This will reduce the swelling and soothe that irritating itch. 4. Cures sunburn and removes discoloration. We will use curd, which is known for its healing properties and curing sunburn. Lemon juice minimizes the sun damage and slows down the oxidation process of free radicals on the skin. Both the ingredients lighten and smooth the uneven skin tone. Aspirin acts as a chemical peel which increases the cell exfoliation. Crush 5 to 6 tablets of aspirin, add 1 teaspoon of curd and lemon juice. Then add few drops of olive oil and mix well. Apply this mixture on the affected area and keep for 20 minutes. Then rinse it off. Repeat twice a week. 5. Removes calluses from feet. Aspirin can also soften calluses as well as corns. Being a mild exfoliant, it can help get rid of dead skin cells and keep your feet soft to prevent the formation of corns and calluses. Crush 5 aspirin tablets and mix them with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of water. Mix into a paste and apply to feet. Put on a pair of socks. Leave for 10 minutes, then rub a pumice stone all over your feet. Rinse off with warm water. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Feel free to comment and don't forget to subscribe.